This is the first chapter, units and measurement of 11th science. Okay, we have to use here 11th science, first chapter, units and measurement. Units and measurement. Okay, the first point is that units. What is the unit, Ray? It is the standard used for measurement. It is the standard. It is the standard used for the measurement. The example is what? Length. Length of unit L. Mass. Mass of unit M. Second. Second is what? Second is the time. Time of unit T. See. Unit is the units and measurement. Unit is what? Is the standard used for the measurement. Okay. It is the standard used for the measurement. Length L, mass M, and second is the T. Okay. This is all about the unit. Okay. Next point is what? This is my first point, unit, and there is the next point. Second point is the system of unit. System of unit. There are four types of system of unit. M, K, S. M for meter. K for kilo. S for second. Second is the CGS. CGS. C for centi. G for gram. S for second. Then FPS. F for foot. P for pound. S for second. Okay, see. MK is what? Meter, kilo, second. C centi, G gram, S second. FPS, F for foot, P for pound, S for second. And the last system of unit is the SI system. SI is what? International system of unit. In the system of unit, MKS, M is the meter, K is the kilo, S is the second, C is the centi, G is the gram, S is the second. FPS, F is the foot, P is the pound, S is the second. SI, International System of Unit. There are four system of unit in the measurement and unit system of units: MK system, CGS system, FPS system, SI system. Okay, so this is the four system of units which are we have to used. Next point is the types of unit. Okay, in the previous point we have seen what is the unit. It is the standard used for the measurement. Then we have the system of unit. Okay, next point is the types of unit. There are two types of units there. Fundamental this is the fundamental unit, and next point is the derived unit. What is the fundamental? Fundamental unit is what? Which does not depend upon any unit. Okay, the funda is what? Funda means basics. Funda means basics. Funda is the basic. Derived means what? Depending upon another. Okay, what is the fundamental unit? The unit which does not depend upon any other unit. Okay, what is the funda? Funda means basic. Panda is what? Basic. Okay. Panda is what? Basics. Fundamental units means what? The units which does not depend upon any other unit. This is the fundamental unit. Does not depend upon any other. Example is what? Length. And length, that is the L. Length is does not depend upon any other unit. Okay. Length is does not depend upon any other unit. Okay. Second point is the mass. Mass is what? M. Mass is also does not depend upon any other unit. The unit which does not depend upon any unit, that is called as the fundamental unit. Example is the length, does not depend upon any other unit. Mass does not depend upon any other unit. Then derived unit. Derived unit is what? The unit which depend upon any other unit for their measurement. The unit which depend upon any other unit for their measurement. For example, velocity, meter per second, CM. Velocity is meter per second. If we delete the meter and second, two things required here. In the velocity, meter also important and second is also important. But in the fundamental unit, length does not depend upon, only single L is the original. Mass.